welcome back to the channel, my 580 subscribers, you absolute diamond geezers. To everyone who is a subscriber, thank you very much for staying with me. We are sort of fluctuating, we're going up and down, but I suppose that's the nature of the beast, and I'm not focusing on it too much. But it is a learning curve, and like I said already, my goal this year is to be more consistent with uploads. So every Thursday evening is going to be an upload, and I will try and stick to that as much as I can, because consistency is key. So we've already had a couple of faffs this morning. I've just had to change cameras because the battery went on my Hero 9. I have used it quite a bit, mine, so I thought I had a spare battery, and I didn't have the spare battery. Well, I did, but it was just out of juice. Oh shit. So yeah, it's been eventful so far. The funny thing was as well that I didn't have a memory card in the GoPro either. That is still in my laptop. And I also forgot my boots. Forgot my boots as well, so I had to ride to my house in my trainers and go from there. I've just adjusted my microphone. In fact, I adjusted it before I came out. I moved it further back so I'm not blowing directly on it. The other thing is, I've moved the microphone down because I realised while I was playing with it earlier, I pushed it up and it was quite close to my nose. So yeah, that should make things a little bit better, hopefully. It's mega slippery today. I don't know if you heard just then when I put like a little bit of power down, it spun. It don't help that I'm riding like a bit of a sissy either. The back end is actually way too stiff now, so I'm feeling loads more. I haven't been relaxed on the bike either, so I'm starting to just relax a bit now. And yeah, it's coming. It's all like, it's weird, like it's practices that you know you've been doing for a while. Just a little bit of an off day, and you kind of forget where you're at, like, you know, it's almost like you're starting from scratch again. So yeah, yeah, I just feel a bit more relaxed now that I've like sort of had 5 minutes to think about it, and yeah, it's amazing how the mind restricts you. But yeah, I've also noticed a few other things, like this morning since I've been out. Balance galore. Then is my back brake. I press my back brake, and there's quite a lot of travel before it gets any bite. So I don't know whether that's just a simple adjustment, or whether I'm just going to bleed the brakes. Put some new beasts of pads on it just to get a bit better bite. But the first KTM I ever bought, I pretty much changed everything about the brakes. I might have talked about this already, I don't know, but yeah, I changed everything. I changed all the pads, bled the brakes. It was class. Like, you could stop, it would pick you up if you jammed that front end on. You know, you pull that lever hard and your back end was coming up, no problem. It would lock if you give it some good, you know, give it a good press. There wasn't much travel on it. It was really enjoyable, and it's just things like that, obviously, making your bike your own. Oh, I shouldn't have come up here, I don't think. Oh, gorse bush everywhere. I stuck my leg. Dead end, I reckon, lads. Although they all do it by tracks, yeah. But it's dead end. Yeah, boy, smashed it in one. Absolutely nailed it. Squirrely back, speaking of it. Oh, it is slippery. But I think today, ladies and gents, we'll call it quits. Time to head home. I think there's lots of walkers about now, and I just don't want to go end up upsetting the populace. Coming up in the next few episodes, as I mentioned, every Thursday we're going to upload from now on. I've got my Hero 7, 8 and 9 Black Edition comparison coming up. The different vlog layouts. Oh, that's cool. Snapping up the ice there. Yeah, we've got the different layouts to enable you to vlog when you're riding. I've only go back as far as the 7. I haven't got the 6, so I can't go any further back now. But I think GoPro sell the 6, but nothing earlier. I could be wrong, but I think you can pick Hero 7s up quite cheap off the eBay now. So I'll find one and I'll price it up and show you and compare it. You know what I mean? Just to what we got now. I bought one of those awful little Chinese action cams, the 4K things. And I'll compare that to my Hero 7 setup, and basically, I won't go into it now, but there's something rattled my cage with that shit the other day, and I think I want to call an end to that absolute bull, because people end up spending out thinking that they're getting a better deal than what you pay for a GoPro. But to be honest, the only competitors against GoPro are Osmo, the DJI Osmo, and Insta360, where they are beasts. I think there are a couple more I can't remember the names of. Oh man, this is so steep and slippery. Back wheel is locked. Hey! Look it on yet, because it's a steep drop. Let me guess that out of the way then. Oh shit, back wheel, I just slipped off the brake. Yeah, so we'll do that comparison. I'll talk to you about a few other things as well, but in the meantime, just enjoy yourself. Try and stay sane over these crazy times. I know being locked down is not an easy thing, but if you can get out for at least half an hour exercise a day, it'll make you feel a lot better. Just get out there and walk, do a run, get out on your push bike, get on your skateboard, whatever. Just get outside and breathe in the fresh air, and hopefully that little bit of being outside will make you feel better and change your mindset a bit, because cabin fever is a thing. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this one. Again, thank you to my subscribers, and thank you to all those people that seem to be liking the video. There seems to be around about the same amount every vid, so thank you. To anyone who comments or subscribes in the future, thank you very much also. But, you know, I'm a new channel, I'm learning. I haven't been able to give it the attention that I wanted to, and I still can't at the minute with the lockdown, but it'll all come, it will all come, I'm sure. But bow for the tree. But yeah, we're going to call it a day now, and I'll see you on Thursday.